The gold chart remains under pressure here at the moment, and as you know, the idea is that the market should still see lower prices. I was quite clear about that. The preferred scenario is that we go lower, and this is still playing out. The bounce into resistance that we saw from the Friday low ended as a three-wave pattern. I explained to you that this is the case only yesterday, and that the move up is seen as a B wave. Of course, with the potential to extend higher in a B wave, but this is the main resistance zone. And then the price has given us an indication that it wants to go lower directly. However, I would not really change the resistance area a lot at the moment. This is the gold futures chart. I have simply adjusted the resistance area really just in a very minor way, moved it down a little bit against the intraday low because it could simply be an extension of the A wave to the downside. So what I would watch for over the coming sessions is whether the bulls can try to restart the B wave. It's very, very important. Both counts point towards lower prices. I would only have to change my view and indicate that something more directly bullish is playing out, a bullish alternative, should the market break above $4,339. But we are still below that resistance. The market has not given us any indication that something bullish is playing out. So be ready potentially for a B wave in the yellow count, for the market then to go lower afterwards. But also we shouldn't rule out the possibility of a direct decline. The idea is still that this is a larger correction in gold, that we're still working on the larger wave 4 correction. The next support levels are located around $4,049. That's the previous swing low from the 10th of June. And then these Fibonacci levels at $4,036 and $3,900. So what I want to highlight is the A wave, either it was a three-wave move and bottomed on Friday the 19th. We had a shallow B wave and we're now moving down lower in the C wave now. Or the A wave is a five-wave move as shown in yellow, and we get a B wave bounce next and then get a C wave down. Essentially, both scenarios lead to the same result. That is usually what we're looking for, because if both counts point towards lower prices, that is usually the most clear. You can't get it any clearer. And this is the gold futures chart. And now we take a look at the spot chart. The spot chart looks structurally very, very similar. All we need to do here on the spot chart is also adjust resistance, because the market is following through with the expected fifth wave decline, which presumably started when the fourth wave topped on the 17th of June. And so I think we should also add here the wave count to the downside in the yellow scenario. Here also I would be I would be prepared for a bounce into resistance. Can happen at any time. It did happen after the low of the 19th of June. It can happen again, especially because A waves can be three-wave movements. They can also be five-wave movements. The benefit of Elliott wave here is to tell us that we should expect another bounce into resistance. Doesn't have to happen, but these are the parameters which are relevant. Resistance is between $4,199 and $4,318. Next support is down here around $4,028 and $4,010. The main challenge at the moment is that we don't know if the A wave was a three-wave move, the B wave topped and we're already in the C wave decline, or whether we just get a five-wave A wave, then the B wave a little later, and then the C wave decline. But also here, both of these potentials, both of these wave counts, they point towards lower prices. That's the update on gold. Hope it was helpful. If you're interested in additional updates, I recommend that you check out our membership. If you like the content, the link is in the comment section. And also there's a way for you to get access to our membership for free for a month if you follow the steps at the end of the video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. And for those of you who always thought about maybe joining our community, you can now, you can now check it out for a month for free. As you might know, we have partnered with XTB. XTB is a globally regulated broker. I use XTB myself. And there's now an offer because if you're looking for a new broker and you decide to sign up with XTB to maybe try them, check out how it works, then you can get access to our community for 1 month for free, where you can get access to gold updates, silver updates, platinum updates, palladium updates, dozens of charts and updates per week for various stocks. All you need to do is, if you are interested in trying XTB, you just sign up with the link on the website below, mco.world. I put the link into the comment section. There's even a step-by-step guide here, just a 3-minute video that explains everything. And once you've signed up, all you need to do is to send me your code, and then I can unlock you for 1 month for our membership. And you can choose if you want to join our crypto community or our equities and commodities membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.